Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. So this is continuation of Sargas 7 and 7 to 9. When the break came, at that time we have seen the fierce fight which is being done by Kumbhakarna. So we'll continue from there, rest of the today's reading. दृष्ट्वा तं राघवः क्रुद्धो वायव्यं शस्त्रमादरत् चिक्षेप कुम्भकर्णाय तेन चिच्छेद रक्षसः. So seeing this, Rama became very angry. Raghava Kruddho Vayavyam Shastram, Vayavyastra he has taken, and Kumbhakarnaya his Dakshina Hasta has been cut with that Vayavyastra. So first astra has been put on him. Samudgaram Dakshahastam Tena Ghoram Sananadasah Sahasta Patito Bhuma Vane Karandayan Kapin. So that falling hand also fell on the Vanaras. Some Vanaras have fell underneath that hand. Paryantamasrita sarve Vanara Bhayapepitaha Rama Rakshasayor Yudham Pasyanta Paryavasthitaha. So all Vanaras stopped fighting with fear. They started looking at this Rama and Rakshasas Yudham. Kumbhakarna's Chinnahastaha Salamudjutya Vegataha. So Kumbhakarna pulling out a Sala Vraksha with the other hand, Samare Raghavam Hantum Dudrava. So he started running towards Raghava. Salena Sahitam Vamahasta Maindrena Raghavaha. Indrastra has been taken, his Vamahasta, left hand has been cut. Chinnabahu Madhayantam Nardhantam Viksha Raghavaha. Dvavardha Chandro Nisita Vadasya Parvadvayam. So two Ardha Chandrakara Banas he has taken. Chicheda Paditau Padau Lankadvara Haris Mahaswanau. So both the Padas have been cut with the two Ardha Chandrakara Banas. Nikrutta Pani Padopi, having cut away the hands and legs also. Kumbhakarno Ati Bheshanaha. So with very fearful look, Kumbhakarna Vadava Mukhapattvartvam Yadaya Raghuvandama, with face angry face, he started sliding towards Raghunandana, towards Raghava in the fight. He continued the fight. Abhirudrava, so Serapurita Vaktrosau Chukrosati Bhayankaraha Adhaha Surya Pratikasam Indram Saramanattamam. Indrastra Vajrasa Manisam Ramas Chikshepa Asura Mrutyave Sa Tat Parvata Sankasam Sprat Kundala Damstrakam. So with the Indrastra, Rama hits his head straight this time. Siro Asya Yuddhartham Kanona. So once his head fell, like here the simile has been put as Vritrasura fallen with Vrajrayudha, Kumbhakarna's head has fallen by the Indrastra of Rama. Siddha Yaksha Guhyakascha Apsarobhischa Raghavam Yidire Kusumasaraihi Varshayantas Chabhinanditaha. In the Abhinandana, by praise of Rama, the flowers have been dropped on Rama by all these Siddha, Yaksha, Guhyakascha, Apsaras, Abhisya Raghavam. At that time, Ramam Indivarsyama Mudarangam Dhanurdharam Yeshattamra Visalaksham Indrastanchita Bahukam. So Indrastra within the Bahus, this Raghava has been Ramam Indivarasyamam. the people have taken darshana of such Rama who has killed Kumbhakarna. Dayardra društva pasyantam vanaran serapeditan. Dayardra društva pasyantam. With Dayardra društi vanaran serapeditan društva gadgadaya vacha bhaktya stotram prachakrame. So the Vanaras so who is seeing Vanaras with Dayardra Drushtis, these Siddhas, Charanas who have come there, they started doing a stotram. So Narada Vivacha. This now Narada started doing a stotram. Devadeva Jagannatha Paramatman Sanatanaha Narayana Akhiladhara Viswasakshin Namostute Visuddha Jnana Rupope Tvam Lokan Ativanchayan Mayaya Manujakaraha Sukha Dukkha Sukha Dukkadhimavinaha Tvam Mayaya Guhyamana Sarvesham Hrudi Samstitaha Swayanjyoti Swabhavastvam Yakta Eva Malatmanam Unmilayan Srujatsyetat Netre Rama Jagatrayam Upasamhriyate Sarvam Tvaya Chakshur Nimilinat. By Ummilna, by opening your eyes, the whole world will wake up. Upasamhriyate, it comes out. Upasamhriyate Tvaya Chakshur Nimilinat. When you close your eyes, the whole world will go. Yasmin sarvamidam bhati yatas chetas characharam yasman nakinchil lokesmin tasmai brahmane namaha. So I am bowing down to such Brahma, Namaha. Yasmin sarvamidam bhati yatas chetas characharam prakrutim purusham kalam yakta vyakta surupinam prakrutim purusham kalam yakta vyakta surupinam yam jananti munisreshthas tasmai ramayate namaha. So munisreshthas know him like this: prakrutim purusham kalam yakta vyakta surupi yanjananti munistes tasmai ramayate namaha. Vikara rahitam suddham jnanarupam shrutirjagau tvam sarva jagadakara murtim chapyahasa srutihi virodhe drusyate deva vaidiko vedavadinam nischayam nadhi gachanti tvatprasadam vina buddhaha mayaya kridato deva na virodho managasi rasmijalam ravedyadvad drusyate jalavad bhramat. So there is no virodham. So people will see differentiation, virodha, opposition to you and Maya, but Mayaya Kredato Deva, when you are playing with Maya, Vaidiko Vedavadinam, Rasmijalam Ravedyadyad Drusyate Jalavad Brahmat. So in the waves of waters, sunlight fall and they make several reflections, making it several differentiations of the light, but in the light there is Jalavat Brahmat, it is only Brahma, there is no Bhrantir Jnanas Tadharama Tvaisarvam Prakalpyate Manaso Vishayo Deva Rupante Nirgunam Param. So in reality, all this differentiation is not there. It is only seen temporarily when that reflected light is seen. In reality, in you, there is no differentiation from Maya. Maya or you, no differentiation. Kadham drusyam bhavet tattva drusya bhave bhavyet kadham. Without drusyam, how do we do the bhajana? Bhajet kadham, how do we do? Atas tavavatareshu rupani nipuna bhavi. So you take avatars to come here to show yourself such that people can do the bhajana. Bhajanti buddhi sampanna Starasyeva bhavarnavam tarantyeva bhavarnavam kama krodha bhaha parisandhinaha. So bhajanti buddhi sampannam, one who has accumulated that buddhi, they will do the bhajana and they will cross over this world. Kamakrodhadayukta bhaha parisandhava bheshayanti sadachoto marjara moshakantadha tvannama smaratam nityam tvadrupamapi manase. As just by getting the memory of the marjara, means of a cat, the moshakaha, the rat will be afraid. It will need not see actual marjara. In that way, Tvannama smaratam nityam. By just reminded of your name, smaratam nityam, tadrupam api manase. By your form is recollected by the mind. Tat puja niratanante kadhamruta paratmanam tad bhakti sanginam rama samsaro goshpadayite. So those who remember your name, those who remind of your form, those who read your stories, those you do the puja, for them samsaro goshpadayate. Whole this samsara will be like a small puddle of water. Samsaro goshpadayate, like when a cow's hoop is put in there, a small water will get collected in there when rain comes. That goshpadayate, that much samsara will be only that much. Ataste sagunam ropam dhyatvaham sarvada hrudihi muktascharami lokeshu pujyoham sarvadevataihi. So I always your saguna swarupa dhyatva, by meditating on it, ramatvaya mahatkaryam krutam devahitechaya kumbhakarna vadhenadya bhuvaroyam gata prabho. Rama, by you, whatever act performed by now killing Kumbhakarna is Devakarya, is the Karya of Deva. Svo hanishyati saumitri indrajeta jandrajetara mahave hanishyedha ramatvam paraswo dasakandharam. Tomorrow, Saumitri, by your brother Sumitra's son Saumitri, Indrajeta, one who has won over Indra, that Indrajit will be killed. Hanishye adharamatvam paraswo, on the next day, Dasakandharam. Pasyami sarvam devesa siddhais saha nabhogataha anugruhnishva man deva gamishyami suralayam. Ityuktva ramama mantriya Narado Bhagavan Rishihi Yayau Devai Pujyamano Brahmalokam Akalmasham. Saying this, Narada, he went back. Bhrataran Nihatan Srutva Kumbhakarnam Mahavalam Ravana Sogasantarpo Ramena Klishtakarmana. So this news went to Ravana. So this stuti, having done this stuti, Narada went away to Brahmaloka. Bhrataran Nihatan Srutva Kumbhakarnam Mahavalam Murchita Patito Bhuma Uddhaya Vilalapaha. He fell, hearing this news of killing of Kumbhakarna, Ravana fell on the floor. Bhuma Utthaya Vilalapaha Pritruvyum Nihatam Srutva Pitaram Chati Vihpalam. So then by the brother of father, Pritruvyam Nihatam Srutva Pitaram Chati Vihpalam, having heard this, the Chitapa has been Pritruvyam Nihatam Srutva Pitaram, father been very sad. Indrajit Praha Sokartam Tyeja Tokam Mahamate. Indrajit came there and said, Tyeja Sokam Mahamate, give up your Soka Mahamate. Mai Jivati Rajendra Meghanadhe Mahabale. I am still alive. Who is Meghanatha? I am Mahabala. Dukhasyavasarah kutraha. What is the need of sadness for you? Devantara Mahamate, Devantaka Mahamate, you have killed all the Devas actually. Devantaka Mahamate. Vyotute Dukkhamakhilam Swasto Bhava Mahipate. Give up your sadness. Swasto Bhava. Come back to your senses. Swastavo Bhava Mahipate. Lord of the land, Mahipate. Sarvam Samikarishyami Hanishyami Chavai Ripun. I will do whatever need to be done to kill the Ripun. Gatva Nikumbhilam Sadyat Tarpayitva Hotasanam. I will go to Nikumbhila. I will do a Homa. Tarpayitva Hotasanam. I will make Hotasana happy. Means fire god. I will Tarpayitva. I will make him satisfied. Hutasanam. Labdva Radhadikam Tasmat Jeyoham Bhavamyare. Bhavamyare. Yutyuktva Tvaritangatva Nirdishtam Havanasthalam. So now Meghanatha comes with his strategy. He says, I will go to Nikumbhila. I will do the Homa. I will do Tarpayitva. I will get get the grace, I will get the required power from the fire god, and then go to Raktamalyambaradharo Raktalakandhanulepanaha Nikumbhalastale Mauni Havanayopachakramē. So he became calm, Mauni, wearing Raktamala, red color dress, Raktagandhanulepanaha, wearing the Raktagandha, means red color gandhas on him. As per the procedure, he has gone Havanayopachakramē, he sat for a Havana. Vibhishano tathachutva Meghanadhasya cheshtitam Paraha Ramaya Sakalam Homarambhan Duratmanaha. So Vibhishana heard about this, and he went to Rama and said, Homarambhan Duratmanaha Samapyate Chodhomoyam Meghanadhasya Durmatehe Tada Jayo Bhavedrama Meghanadha Surasuraihi. If once Meghanadha completes this yajna as prescribed, he will become invincible. He will become unkillable by anybody. Ata Srigram Lakshmanena Ghatayishyami Ravanim. So send Lakshmana with me. I will go and kill Ravani straight away. Ravanim. Ajñapaya Mayasarthyam Lakshmanam Balinavaram Hanishyatina Sandeho Meghanadam Tavanuja. You send your brother with me. I will go and kill this Meghanatha. Otherwise, he will become invincible. We cannot win over him. Sri Ramachandra Uvacha. Ahamevagamishyami hantum yandrajitam ripum ajneyena mahastrena sarvarakshasaghatina. I only will come. Rama says, I only will come with you. Why, my brother? Ajneyastra I will bring, and with Ajneyastra I will finish him off. Vibhishanopi tampraha नासावन्यैर निहन्यते यस्तु द्वादश वर्षाणि निद्राहार विवर्जितः. Vibhishana says there is a key for this. There is a you cannot kill him. He can be only killed by somebody who has taken 12 years of not eating and not sleeping. Nidrahara vivarjitaha tenaiva mrutyurnidrishto brahmanasya duratmanaha. By Brahma, the mrutyu is nirdishta. So Indrajit is born in such a situation because Ravana asked all the planets to go to their respective places, stay there in such a way that he will never have death. But because of a small change of which has happened in the drishti of Shaneshchara, that change has given him an avakasa. He will be killed by somebody who has taken 12 years long fast and non-sleeping. Wo. Lakshmanastu Ayodhyaya nirgamo yatyaya saha tadadi nidraharar nadiva janati raghuttama sevardham tava rajendra jnatam sarvavidam maya. So I know that in your seva Lakshmana has not eaten or nor slept. So I know that. So I am asking to tadajñapaya devesa Lakshmanam tvarayamaya hanishyati na sandeha seshas sakshat dharadharaha. So that's why I am asking you to send your brother Lakshmana with me. Lakshmana has the capability to kill him. Nobody else has the capability. Tvameva sakshat jagatamadiso narayano Lakshmana eva seshaha yuvam dharabhara nivaranardham jatau jagannataka sutradharau. So both of you are born. Lakshmana is Sesha. He is the Sesha. You are the Seshi. You are the residing on that Sesha. So Narayana, you are Narayana. Lakshmana is Sesha. I know that. Yuvam dharabhara nivaranardham jatau jagannataka sutradharau. I know that you are the Sutradhari. You are the Sutradhari of this Jagannataka. The director of this. Both of you are the directors of Jagannataka. So you please send your brother. With this we have completed 8th Sarga. getting into the ninth sarga, which is Meghanatha Vadha. Quickly, Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. Vibhishana Vachasrutva Ramo Vakyamadha Bravid Jyanami Tasya Raudrasya Mayam Krusnam Vibhishana. Vibhishana, this Bhayankara Maya of Ravana son, I know. Nahi Brahman Vichuro Mayavi cha Mahabalaha Janami Lakshmanasyapi Surupam Mamasevanam. I know the Lakshmana's form also. Jnatvaiva samaham tushnim bhavishyat karya gauravat ityuktva Lakshmanam praha Ramo Jnanavatam varaha. So karya gaurava, knowing this karya gaurava, this will come up. Knowing this karya gauravat, I have never compelled Lakshmana to eat or sleep. So no, I know that what is happening. Gacha Lakshmana Sainyena Jahata Jahi Ravanim Hanumat Pramukhai Sarvair Yuddhapai Saha Lakshmana. So along with Hanuma, Pramukhas, everybody go. Now I am allowing you to go and do the whatever need to be done. Jambavan Ruksharajoham Sahasainyavasamrutaha Vibhinakshnaschya Sachevai Sahattvamabhiyasyasi Abhignascha Desasya Janami Vivarane Saha Ramasya Vachanam Srutva Lakshmanasya Vibhishanaha, along with Vibhishana Rakshana Jagraha Karmukam Sreshtham, taking the Karmuka required weapons, Ramapadambujam Sprushva Hrushta Saumitri Bravit. Saumitri, with happiness, touching the feet of Rama, said, Adya Matkarmukan Muktaha Shara Nirbhidya Ravanim Gamishyantihi Patalam Snatum Bhagavati Jale. So these Karmuka, these my weapons now, Ravanim, Indrajit, they will go to Patala Loka, Eva Muktacha Saumukti, Parikramya Pranamyatam, Indrajin Nidhana Kankshi, Yau Tvarita Vikramaha. Vanarai, along with Vanaras, Jambavat Pramukhas, Angada, all the Vanara Sainya, great people of Vanara, they all went to kill Indrajit. Indrajit actually doing his yaga. So Indrajit Swabalam Sarvamarthamyanam Vilokyasa Nikumbhilancha Homam Chatyaktva Sigram Vinirgataha. So seeing that all the people charging towards him without completing the Nikumbhila Homa, he came up. Saumitre Meghanadhoyam Maya Jevan Namokshache Tatra Drushva Pitruvyam Sa Praha Nishtura Bhashanam. Seeing his Pitruvyam means another brother of Ravana, with lot of hatred, he said, Jahaiva Jata Samrudhva Sakshat Bhrata Piturmama, your brother of my father, Yastvam Swajana Mustrujya Parabhrutyatva, by leaving all Swajanas, all of us, you have gone to the opposite party. Katham Druhyasi Putraya Papiyanasi Durmatihi, you are a papi, you are a Durmati. He is abusing with worldly abuse. Ityuktva Lakshmanam Društva Hanuman Prushtatastitam. On the Hanuman's back, Lakshmana. Now Lakshmana is on the Hanuman. Hanuman is carrying Lakshmana. Ujjaya Nidhasnate Radhe Mahati Samstita, great Radha he has taken Mahaprana. So Ghoram, a great Adya O Mamaka Bana Pranaspanam Divanaraha Tatas Saram Dasaradhi Sandhaya Mitra Karshanaha. So let me kill all of you who have come here in my banas. So Sasajja Rakshasendraya Kuddha Sarpahi Swasam Indrajit Draktanayano Lakshmanam Samudaikshatah, with red eyes seen towards Lakshmana. The war started. So with 7 arrows he has put, they came and hit Lakshmana. Then with 10 arrows he has hit Hanuman. With 100 arrows he has hit Vibhishana. Then Lakshmana again started his war. with hundreds of arrows. Then first his kavacha, his shield has been broken, golden shield has been broken. Then they started fighting, great fierce fight has gone. There is a great description of the fight for the sake of time, and our core concept is the Adhyatma Ramayana, so we are skipping over a lot of things. But at the end of this whole of the war, there is a Ramabana. Lakshmana is tried all the things, all the different methods. He is not able to win over Indrajit. So Lakshmana, with all in his hands, Indrajit has to die. That is how Brahma has decided things to happen. But he said, Sandhaya Krupya Karnantam Karmukam Drodhanishturam, putting a arrow into the Karmukam and pulling it till the ear. He said, Uvacha Lakshmano Viraha Smaran Ramapadambujam. Thinking of Ramapadas, says, Dharmatma Satya Sandhascha Ramo Dasarathir Yadi Trilokyama Pratidvandva Tvadenam Jehiravanim. Valmiki also uses exactly same with one pada difference. Dharmatma Satya Sandhascha Ramo Dasarathir Yadi Paurushecha Pratidvandvo Tvadenam Jehiravanim. Here Vyasa is using the same words. Dharmatma Satya Sandhascha Ramo Dasarathir Yadi Trilokyama Pratidvandva Tvadenam Jehiravanim. So this is called Ramastra. This sloka is known as Ramastra. It is same in so Dharmatma, if Rama is Dharmatma. Satya Sandhascha, if Rama is Satya Sandha. Ramo Dasarathir Yadi, if Rama is Dasaratha's son. Trilokyama Pratidvandva. So in the Trilokas there is no Pratidvandva, no opposition to Rama. Tvadenam, if all those things are true. Tvadenam Jehiravanim. With that faith, I am leaving this bana. I am leaving this arrow. Let this arrow kill Ravanim, Indrajit. Ravana's son, Ravanim, Indrajit. Again, we'll read out this sloka one. Ityuktva Dharmatma Satya Sandhascha Ramo Dasarathir Yadi Trilokyama Pratidvandvas Tadenam Jehiravanim. Ityuktva Banamakarnya Dishustutama Jhatmagam Sasaraha Sasirastranam Srimajjwalata Kundalam Pramadhyendra Kayat Patayamasa Bhutale. So that arrow went straight, beheaded Indrajit. Tatah Pramudita Deva Kirtayanto Raghuttamam Vavarshu Pushpavarshani Stuvantascha Muhurmuhu. By seeing that all the devas, because all the devas, Indrajit won over Indra. So all those celebrated with that victory. Jahar Hasekro Bhagavan Sahadevair Maharshibhihi Akashepi Devanam Srusruve Dundhibiswaha Vimalam Gaganam Chasit. The sky became pure. Vimalam Gaganam Chasit Stira Bhudaswari Nihatam Ravanim Društva Jaya Jalpa Samanvitaha. People started saying Jaya Jaya. Papa Bharamuto, with this the earth became happier. Gatasramahsa Saumitrihi Sabdapur Yadrane Simhanadan Tatakrutva Jyasabdamakarod Vibhuhu Tena Nadena Samrushta Vanarascha Gatasramaha. So they have Srama, they have a fierce fight has taken there, a lot of tiredness has come. Ravani has been killed, then people have praised them, and Lakshmana made the sound from the string of the listening to that string sound, people have become happiness again. They forgot all the srama, the work which they have done. తేన నాదేన సంహృష్ట వానరాశ్చ కతశ్రమ వానరేంద్రశ్చ సహితః స్తువద్భిర్హు తృష్టమానసైః లక్ష్మణः పరితృష్టాత్మా దదర్శాఖ్యేతరాఘవం హనుమాద్ రాక్షసాభ్యాంచ సహితో వినయాన్వితః వందే భ్రాతరం రామం జ్యేష్టం నారాయణం విభుం త్వత్ప్రసాదాద్ రఘుశ్రేష్ఠా హతో రాహవే. So he went again, fell at the Rama's feet and said, by your grace I killed. So Lakshmana has Lakshmana being 12 years taken that vrata, he has that duty of killing Indrajit, which has been accomplished by the project accomplished. Srutva tal Lakshmanat bhaktya tamalingya raghuttamam murdhavat జ్ఞాయ ముదిత సస్నేహమిదబ్రవీత్ సాధు లక్షణ తుష్టోస్మి కర్మతే దుష్కరం కృతం, విచ్ ఇస్ ఇంపాసిబుల్ టు బి డన్, విచ్ ఇస్ అనదర్ ఇంపాసిబుల్ యాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ కిల్లింగ్ ఆర్ విన్నింగ్ ఓవర్ ఇంద్రజిత్. మేఘనాథస్య నిధనే జితం సర్వమరిందమ హోరాత్రైస్తిభిర్స్తిర్వీతః కథంచిద్ వినిపాతితః నిస్సత్పత్నః కృతోస్మద్యః నిర్యాస్యతి రావణః. So now I have been cleared of all the Shatrus. Now everybody has been cleared. Now what will happen? Meghanadham hadam srutva Lakshmanena mahabalam Ravanah patito bhumau murchita punaruttvaha putrasokayanmayam yodhum tam hanishyati Ravanim. So I know that now Ravana directly will come to fight with me. I will complete my activity, what I need to. Ravana, I will kill Ravana now. Meghanadham hatam srutva Lakshmanena mahabalam Ravanah patito bhumau murchita punaruddhataha. He has completely become murcha. He has fallen unconscious, Ravana now. Putrasya guna karmani samsmaran paryadevayat adya devaganah sarve lokapala maharsheha హతమింద్రజతం జ్ఞాత్వా సుఖం స్వప్యంతి నిర్భయాః ఇత్యాది బహుశ పుత్ర లాలసో విలలాపః. సో ఆఫ్టర్ ద సన్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ కిల్డ్, నౌ రిమెంబరింగ్ దట్ సన్స్ గ్రేట్నెస్, Ravana thinking that now these devas will sleep peacefully, listening to this news of falling of my son, tatah paramasankruddho Ravano rakshasadhipah uvacha rakshasan sarvan ninashayishu rahave. So he has called again Rakshasas. Then he became very angry. Then again he took one khadga. I will kill Sita. He started running towards Sita. Saputra vadha samtaptaha suraha krodhavasam gataha samyiksha ravano buddha hantum Sita pradrudruve. ఖడ్గపాణి మధాయాంతో క్రుద్ధం దృష్ట్వా దశాననం రాక్షసీ మధ్యగా సీత భయశోకాకులా భవత్. Sita became afraid of seeing this Ravana running towards him with the khadga. Etasmin antare tasya sachivo buddhiman suchihi suparshvo nama medhavi Ravanam vakyam abravit. So now Suparshva, one medhavi, one little clever person, he came in between Sita and Ravana. Vakyam abravit. Nanu nama Dasagriva Sakshat Vaisravananuja. No, Dasagriva, you should not do this. Vedavidya Vratasnataha Swakarma Parinishtitaha. You are Sakshat Vaisravananujaha, Visravasa's son. Vedavidya Vaisravana Anujaha. So you are brother of Kubera and you are such a great person. Vedavidya Vratasnataha. Having Vedavidya, you have Snataka, you have become certified in Vedavidya. Swakarma Parinishtitaha, you are established in your own karmas, you Parinishtitaha. Aneka Guna Sampannaha, having a lot of great qualities. Katham Strivadhamichati. Women should not be killed, should not be harmed. Why are you trying to harm or kill Stri Vadhamichati? Asmabhihi Sahito Yuddhe Hatva Ramancha Lakshmanam. So what is your right activity is now you go and fight with Rama and Lakshmana. Kill them. ప్రాప్స్యసే జానకీం శీఘ్రం ఇత్యుక్తో సనవర్తత. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యూ విల్ గెట్ జానకి. కిల్ దెమ్ అండ్ దెన్ హ్యావ్ గెట్ జానకి ఆన్ యువర్ సైడ్. అండ్ సో యూ షుడ్ నాట్ కిల్ హర్. తతో దురాత్మా సుహృదా నివేదితం. నౌ దిస్ వర్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ కౌన్సిల్ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ బై రావణ. What are the reasons? We don't know. Probably it is what he said, you will get Janaki. So that is what his desire in there. So he has touched that desire again, probably that is what it is. Or this whatever has been said, Suparshva, the way he has said, whatever it is, tato duratma suhruda nivetitam vachas sudharmyam pratigruhya ravanaha. Ravana took up these words. గృహం జగామాసు శుచా విమూఢధి పునః సభాంచ ప్రియయౌ సుహృద్వ్రత. సో నాట్ కిల్లింగ్ సీత, రావణ went back and again he has assembled the remaining rakshasas there. With that, శ్రీమద్ ఆధ్యాత్మ రామాయణ అంతర్గత ఉమామహేశ్వర సంవాదే యుద్ధకాండే నవమ సర్గ. We reach the end of 9th sarga with this thing. So Kumbhakarna and Meghanatha have been killed in their own respective ways. So the maryada, so every life, every person who comes here, there is a way in which that fellow will end his life. That Brahma will decide. Brahma decides it based on the Purva karmas. People are given all the possibility, all the abilities to come out into moksha, but they can never escape the death, falling of the body. How the body has to fall, that has been decided. In that way, in that fashion, it will fall. So Kumbhakarna has been killed by Rama. That is how it has to be happen. And Indrajit has been killed by Lakshmana. In that maryada, with that respective method, as established by the Brahma. And with that, we come to the end of 9th sarga. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahisyaah go brahmanebhya shubhamastu nityam lokas samasta sukhino bhavanti. Swasti.